I'm Hannah from the Condensation Shop, here to talk to you today about our product range of the Passyfier dehumidifier core wall high-rise vent kit version. If you or your customer are experiencing mould as a result of condensation in a domestic property, then we have the perfect solution. In today's average household, the easiest way of conserving energy is to insulate a property to stop heat escaping. And unfortunately, this has a downside of stopping moisture vapour escaping, this being approximately 9 to 10 litres per day on average, leading to condensation on cold surfaces. This over time invites black mould, which can be potentially hazardous to people's health. The answer lies by installing our through-the-wall high-rise vent. There are many benefits to this particular product, these being they cost nothing to run. Being non-mechanical, this vent works passively 24 hours per day, meaning there is no nighttime disturbance like you would encounter from a fan. The core vent range can transmit a minimum of 0.75 litres to a maximum of 1.4 litres over 24 hours and can cover between 5 and 10 square metre floor area depending on the core diameter. This vent can also be used in a variety of wall types such as solid, cavity and timber frame walls. The vents in the high-rise core range all have a 350mm long round duct, but we can adapt any of these core vent kits to suit thicker walls. Pacifiers take advantage of the differential partial moisture vapour pressure that is normally higher inside an occupied property than on the outside. This pressure is completely independent of that in the air. The mineral wall within the vent is transparent to the flow of water vapour and also avoids unwanted drafts. The core wall high-rise vent kits are installed using a diamond core cutter, reducing the installation time. They can be installed from the inside, thus negating the need for towers or scaffolding. These can be installed up to a maximum of 5 floors high. This is our Passyfier core wall high-rise vent kit. You have the choice of 6 different coloured external cowls to suit any wall type, which come with a triple ceiling coloured gasket. These are all balanced, which diffuses the unwanted wind pressure, which then protects the product's performance. Each kit comes as standard with a plastic easy fit internal grille with a fly screen. This provides the most coverage, but other grille options are available via the website. Each kit also comes with a plastic wedge to provide a subtle slope to ensure no water ingress passes to the inside. Finally, I would just like to make a play for our well-established business, which is able to give sound advice to condensation problems in domestic properties. You'll be pleased to know this product is British and made here at our premises to the highest standards. Thank you for listening. We look forward to hearing from you.